Hi, Troy again for Part 2, the tour. This Part 2 video gives a brief tour of the Kodak Picture Saver scanning software PS50 version. The first screen to appear is the information page. It gives you the capability to capture customer information if using this software in a commercial setting. But note, only the order number is required to start. This could be as simple as titling the photos about to be scanned. You will notice the setup icon in the lower right-hand corner. Here, you will have the options to enable the Kodak flatbed accessory as a scanning tool and select print order details, which will include the customer information in saving the order. When you select continue, you will be prompted for a folder name for the photos you are about to scan. Now you can create other folder groupings during the scanning process as well. I'll type in 1995 Christmas for demonstration purposes. Scanned images populate the thumbnails here, but let's turn our focus to the settings. We can locate the scanner settings in the menu on the right-hand side. Here, we're given a variety of options. Starting from the top, we have Scan As. This gives us the ability to choose between color or grayscale. Our next option is Batch Scan Mode. Do we want to scan the front side, the back side, or both sides at the same time? Transport Timeout is our next option. This 1 to 20 second selection programs the scanner how long to wait to turn off after the last photo has been scanned. Grayed out in this demonstration is the Enable Photo Selector option. This offers the ability to multi-crop images that are scanned on a Kodak A3 flatbed or legal flatbed purchased and sold separately, and available only if installed with the proper licensing. Next is resolution. We have the ability to scan at 300, 600, or 1200 dpi using this scanning application. An important note is 1200 dpi is an interpolated resolution if being scanned on the PS50 or PS80. Our next option is the file format. In this selection, we're given three options: JPEG, best, JPEG, superior, or TIFF, none. The first represents the file format that the images will be saved as. The latter refers to the compression amount that is applied to the files. The best is the most compression that is applied to a file. The TIFF none means no compression is applied. Next, sharpen image. We have the ability to do none, low, or high. We can also turn on the image cleaner tool provided by Kodak Alaris. The next option allows us to select if perfect touch is applied to both sides of the pictures. Crop border allows us to select between normal and aggressive. Aggressive crop tends to crop the images 1/10 of an inch tighter around the borders. Last is fill border. This selection applies a border around the photo scanned, typically left on none. We also have the ability to add a black border and a white border. To save our settings, we click OK. You will notice the two scanning options, Batch Scanner and Flatbed. These operate the equipment to start scanning. You can use the Select Folder option to make a new scanning folder or add pictures to a previous folder you've created in this batch. We're going to make 1996 New Year's as a folder for demonstration purposes. You can individually rotate scanned pictures 90 degrees or 180 degrees using these arrow icons as well. Selecting Auto Rotate is also an option. Keep in mind, using this will sometimes rotate pictures out of orientation. The software also allows to apply Kodak Perfect Touch to all the pictures in a folder. Keep in mind, this is a one-touch fix and does not save the originals. To work on a picture individually, select the picture and you will be taken to the editing options screen. Here, you can move the image to a different folder, delete it, redo the scan, apply Kodak Perfect Touch individually, apply red eye removal, or rotate the image. The comparison view shows any edits made. Once selecting Return, you'll be asked if you'd like to save the image changes made. When you're done with this batch, we simply select Scanning Completed. You're taken to the Finalize screen, which will allow you to burn a CD, DVD, or most commonly used, transfer the files to USB. To transfer, select the option and select the destination in the prompt. Alternatively, the files are default loaded on the C drive of your computer. You'll find the files in a folder titled Scanned Pictures. You can locate the files here and transfer outside of the software if you would like as well. That concludes this video.